Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Welcome to Procket. In this video I will show the BMS connection. This is 13S 48 volt DC BMS. Now let's see the internal parts of the BMS. Here you can see some MOSFET integrated IC and many electronics parts mounted on the PCB. Some BMS is having battery over temperature protective sensor. Now take a look how to connect it with battery. Please follow my previous video, how to make battery pack. Link in the description below. Now connect all the cells like this. This battery per cell voltage is 3.6 volt. So 13 number of cells are used for this connection. Now let's see how to make 10.8 volt 3-2P battery connection. In this connection total 6 cells are used. Here 2P represents 2 parallel paths. Connect all the cells like this. Please subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.